Okay, I'm starting to notice something about my recommended page. Like, I looked at one Weezer thing, and now, you see there's one right there. If you scroll down, some random stuff. There's another one. There's another one. Keep scrolling. It's all good, it's all good. Just looking. Mm-hmm. Another Weezer song. Mm-hmm. Everything's going good. Another Weezer song. Another Weezer. Let's see. Don't mind the mindless self-indulgent stuff. That I pointed out. There's another one. Let's see. More mindless self-indulgence. Okay. Oh, there's another one. I missed that. There's two of them there. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one.